Hi guys, welcome back. Napansin nyo rin ba? Kasi what I've been noticing lately, ba't parang ang daming nagbebenta na ulit ng Vespa, pero hindi yung tulad yung time ng pandemic as in resellers yung mga nagbebenta. Ngayon, ang daming nagbebenta ng actual users at yung presyo medyo bumababa. You're looking at mga 2021 models, 2022 models. These are all being sold now for below 200,000. Kaya medyo surprising kasi there was a time yung presyo ng mga second hand halos kapresyo ng brand new. Yung iba pa nga minsan mas mahal pa sa brand new. Ngayon, bumabagsak na presyo. I've seen 2021 models for as low as 185. Tapos may mga accessories na yan Tapos yung mga 2022 models sa mga 190. Very surprising. Pero I think I have an explanation to kung bakit Noong time nung 2021, when the pandemic hit, sa 2020, 2021, a lot of the people who bought Vespas ay yung mga mid-high to high earners. So ito yung mga tipong taong maraming excess funds. Tapos ang nangyari pa, nawala ang mga family vacations. Ibig sabihin, if they're anything like our family, every year we take 1 or 2 family vacations together. So we save up money for that. Isipin mo, ito, how many ang mga na-cancel na trip, hindi na nakapag-trip. With this, nagkaroon sila ng excess money. Just yun lang the vacation lang Huwag man pa isama yung mga eating out, yung mga ibang gastusin na hindi na natin nagagawa. Hindi na rin tayo mga tao na who was planning to buy a car, was planning to upgrade. Lahat yun medyo na-slow down because no one was leaving the house. And then here comes yung dati mong hilig. A lot of people got into different types of hobbies. Diba? Meron dyan who got into starting na-addict sa kape. So they started yung mga home brewing. Kaya nga nagkaroon ng malaking group, the Coffee Home Brewers. Shout out to Ross of Coffee Home Brewers. Dumami yung mga napahilig because of the pandemic. They were not doing anything. So people were buying machines, espresso machine, buying this, buying that. Kasi may mga excess na funds na hindi nila alam saan nila gagastasin. And then you have yung iba, naging plantito, naging plantita. And then there's those who always dreamt of having a Vespa. Ito yung mga tipong, ang cute magka-Vespa. Parang dati ko pa dream na magka-motor ako o magka-scooter ako. So, nagbilihan tong mga to ng mga Vespa. And a lot of them are probably first-time users of motorcycles. Some are been off the saddle for so many long years. Tapos ngayon babalik kasi ngayon parang may excess pera ako na gagawin ko dito. But when the reality struck after the pandemic, hindi naman sa after the pandemic, but after normal, people started living their normal lives already. People are taking their vacations again. And then, after the pandemic, when all of this subsidy was lost, dito na nararamdaman ng tao, medyo parang hindi ganun kaganda ang mga business. Economy is not as good as it used to be. Maybe it's time to save up. Yung iba started selling their scooter because they realized it wasn't being utilized as much. Kumbaga, they'd rather have the funds. Or yung iba, hindi naman dahil sa funds, but they just really realized, I wanted it, but now that it's here, hindi pala ganun kadali magmotor around Metro Manila. I only get to use it pang kape-kape Saturday morning and Sunday morning. Parang, tapos, yung mga ibang naging motorcycle group mo that was formed during the pandemic, lahat may kanya-kanya na ring ibang pinag kumbaga iba na ang gusto gawin. They're not into the motorcycle anymore. So what happened is mag-isa ka na lang. So people started selling. Kaya tapos I think Vespa Philippines also saw that there was such a big demand. They also brought in more na mga units. Kaya nga makikita mo ngayon, there's less and less resellers, and then parang wala na ako masyado naririnig as much nahihirapan kumuha ng brand new. Kasi palagi na lang makikita mo sa mga post anong available units. These different dealers all have units on stock. Ang madalas lang nauubusan palagi is the usual, the color white. So yung color white, yun makikita mo marami pa rin ang resell ng white. Pero other than that, the other colors, parang wala na eh. So I think that's what happened eh. Yun nga, na tipong nagkaroon na excess money yung mga tao because nga hindi sila nagbakasyon, so they bought into things that they thought they really wanted, pero sa bandang dulo they realized it just scratched that itch, pero hindi talaga sila ready to let go of their four-wheel cars or to actually commute in their scooter because hindi naman siya talaga ganun kadali eh. Lalo na kung tipong may driver ka naman, may kotse ka, hindi ka nahihirapan sa traffic, there's no reason to actually take your motorcycle dito sa Pilipinas. Kita mo, tirik na tirik yung araw. Unless you really are into motorcycles. Diba? Pero I think that's just basically what happened to this Vespa market here in the Philippines. Eh. So, hopefully, everyone gets a chance now. Yung mga dating naghihintay kung makakabili sila ng Vespa, maybe now is the best time to buy. Nagbabagsakan na yung mga used market. So, I guess that's what happened. Okay guys, so thank you again. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. Bye.